Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on my go-to makeup look. So let's just jump right in and get started. I'm first going to moisturize my lips, then take the Benefit Professional Primer on my pore affected areas, so my apples of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. I'm now going to take the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer and a lot of it. I'm just going to put that where I did not put the Professional and any other areas that are dry. I'm going to go wet my beauty blender, and then I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Pearl and mix it with Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in 330. I'm going to mix those two together and apply them onto my face using the Primark dual-ended brush. I'm going to blend those out with my beauty blender.
This is you ending fire, and we should all burn together. Watch the flame.
I'm now going to drag my foundation onto my neck and blend that out using the Morphe M439 foundation brush. I'm now going to take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Light Warm and put that under my eyes, tip of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, just to highlight those areas.
And if we should die,
I'm going to take the Australis Banana Powder on a e.l.f. small stippling brush and set my under eyes and nose. I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC35 and use that to set the rest of my face.
desolation comes upon the sky.
I'm now going to do my brows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and use the shade Pukey in my transition. I'm just going to blend that into my crease as my transition, and then I'm going to drag that down onto my eyelid just to make it all quite coherent. I'm now going to take the shade Mocha and really focus that on the outer corners in the very depths of my crease. I'm going to take MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to take the shade Queen, and this will be my lid shade. I'm now going to take the shade Pukey on a Morphe pencil brush on my lower lash line. I'm then going to take Mocha and do the same. Now I'm going to take an Artiste brush to blend it all together. I'm going to take Queen on an angled brush and put that in my waterline and really focus it on my inner corners. I'm then going to curl my lashes. I will then apply the Tarte's Light Camera Lashes Mascara. I then switch over to Benefit Roll Lash Mascara because my Tarte one's quite dried out. I'm now going to take Benefit Hoola Bronzer and use that to bronze my cheeks, my jawline, and my temples. I'm now going to clean that up using my powder brush. I'm now going to be taking the e.l.f. Clear Lash and Brow Gel to set my eyebrows. I'm now going to take the MUA Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlight in Iridescent Gold and mix it with MAC Soft and Gentle Highlight. And I'm going to apply this using the Morphe Fan Brush. I'm now going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set my face in place. I will now take the MAC Honey Love Lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye!